Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you unboxing a brand new Alcon W31 vertical air compressor and what to expect inside. Here's an envelope. It has the warranty papers, hard copy manual and parts list. And there's a fill valve. This is a complete fill valve assembly with the hose, gauge, and filler valve. And my compressor. Before I start the compressor, I have to remove the compressor from the pallet because these pallets, they create a lot of vibration and we don't want vibration on the compressor. I will be putting the compressor on a solid surface like concrete floor. Now I'm going to connect my fill whip. The fill whip I have, it has an O-ring here, and so it needs to be pushed in to the priority valve. This is a priority valve, and just tied in. This is a hand tight because it has an O-ring. You don't need to use extra force. And then you can place your fill whip on the holder, top on the compressor. The next thing I'm gonna do is connect the electric. Compressor comes with the power cable, but there's no plug, so you have to install the proper plug for your outlet. It has 3 wiring. This is a single phase motor, so it has 2 hot legs and 1 ground, total of 3 wires. And this is a 4 horsepower motor, so 18 amps what it draws. So I would have a 20 amps breaker on the panel for this one. In this video, I showed you guys the startup procedure of W31 air compressor. If you have any questions, please contact us, and please don't forget to like or share this video. Thank you for watching.